Some of us allow our insecurities to hold us back from being and doing so much, and that should never be the case. And I'm talking to myself just as much as I'm talking to anyone out there that's willing to hear or watch this video. Insecurities should never be allowed to hold you back. Never. Guys, it's me, your favorite new mama, Stephanie Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with baby girl and she's trying to pull my camera down. You guys, I am literally sitting on the floor in front of my shower because your girl just had a meltdown and it's caught on camera, so I'm going to talk to you guys about it while also posting up, just a couple of clips from just a few minutes ago. And I am making this video just to show people that it is okay to have emotions. It is okay to go through the motions of life and just things in general. But it is not okay to just sit in it, okay? The first thing that I want to say before I start this video, baby girl, please don't knock down mommy's camera. The first thing that I want to say before I start this video is that if you are going to try and come on here and troll for any reason, do not. I will see your comments and I will quickly delete them. I don't play games like that, especially not with things that are going to be as serious as the topic that I'm bringing to you guys today. I'm saying this because I want to create a safe space for men and women to come and just discuss certain things that they're going through, or just to see a real life person. Okay, I'm a real life person. I'm not some big YouTuber that's making videos just for likes or anything like that. I'm a real life person going through real life situations, and I want you guys to see that it is okay and that you can get through them. So basically in this video that I'm going to be discussing, the situation that just happened, the reason why I had a whole meltdown, is because I started discussing my weight. My weight is something that I'm very uncomfortable with. I'm very, very, very uncomfortable with discussing my weight, especially on camera to millions of people, okay? And basically in the video, I was trying to just kind of have a video like a mom talk and talking about dealing with just feel like you're losing yourself. Like, just what do you do when you feel like you've lost yourself after having a kid and you feel like you've let yourself go? And in that video, I started discussing my weight and I had an anxiety attack. Okay. This is stuff I don't talk about because I know that it bothers me so much. Okay. On a day like today, on a day like today, I am weighing at, it's real life. This was for real. Nothing staged, nothing fake about it. Afterwards, I just could not control myself and I had to cut the camera off and I had to deal with it. I had to get through it. I had to talk myself through it. I had to get to the situation and just deal with it and really realize that this is a problem area in my life and that is something that I have to change so that I can be a better version of myself. Dealing with weight is very, very serious, but at the same time, it's not something that's worth losing friends and family, over. And it's not worth losing your happiness. It's just not worth it. So, basically in the video, I was trying to just give you guys some insight on, give you some information about me prior to having my baby. However, I was not expecting to have a full-on anxiety attack while discussing my weight. That is not something that has ever happened to me before, especially not on camera, because I never talk about my weight on camera, but I've never ever had an anxiety attack due to me discussing my weight. I was 165 pounds before I had my daughter. That was my comfortable weight. That's where I just rested at 165. For years, I was 165, and I become comfortable with it, And the day that I found that I was pregnant, the day that I confirmed my pregnancy, I weighed in at 170 pounds. So the doctor started my pregnancy off at 170 pounds because I was 4 weeks along when I found out I was pregnant. I found out quite early. But I maintained to get down, to be 190 pounds the day I went to push my daughter in, and I was 5 days past due. So it was 190 pounds, and I was okay with it because I had a whole baby brewing in my stomach, baking in my stomach, right? So it was just a whole new life that I was carrying. So my weight really didn't bother me after I found out. After I come to terms that, hey, you have a second person in your stomach, you're gonna gain weight. After I come to terms with that, I was fine. So I was 190 pounds when I went to go push out my daughter. The day that I got sent home, I was in the hospital for about 2 to 3 days. It's like standard procedure. I know some places are like 24 hours, but standard procedure for a vaginal birth at the hospital I went to is to keep you there for at least 2 days. But I think I was discharged on the 21st. Either way, upon being discharged, I did get weighed before I left, and I was 180 pounds or 170 something pounds. I think I was 178 pounds. Yeah, I was 178 pounds when I got discharged, and I was okay with that. After being home for about 2 weeks, actually it was 2 weeks, while trying to do not knock down my camera. Do not knock it down. Look at you. You just want to touch it. Say hi. Say hi, guys. I'm the baby that she pushed out. That's me. Yeah, say that's me. I'm 1 years old. And my name is Skylar. After about 2 weeks of being home, I decided, hey, let me just go ahead and weigh myself and, see what's up. I'm curious to see what's up. How much do I weigh now? So I got on the scale, and I was about 170 pounds now. So I'm doing really well. I'm dropping pounds, but I knew that I had to continue to eat, and I was trying to make healthier choices. So I'd eat oatmeal, and my mom, my mother-in-law would make fish stew and stuff like that. It was so good. And at the time I was living with my in-laws. We were living with our in-laws. And so, but I was losing weight. I was making healthier eating options than I am now, of course, but I was doing pretty well. In February, so 2 months after we got here, I found a gym. It was the end of January into February. I found a gym, and I started going. And when I tell you guys, I went to this gym every day. The only day that I didn't work out was Sunday. But every other day, I went and I worked my butt off, okay? And I wasn't losing weight to the point where I was super skinny, but I was toning my body back because, after you have a baby, everything is just loose as a goose. I'm sorry to say, excuse me, I have hiccups. I'm sorry to say it, but everything is loose as a goose, y'all. And so it's really important to tone up your body. Some people have snapback like that. I wasn't blessed with all of that. And so I started toning up. My arms were getting toned back, and my stomach was slowly but surely getting toned. I was looking good. My butt started to look different. And I'm like, dang, girl, you're looking real nice. So for about 2 months straight, I was going to the gym every single day. And then baby girl started teething. See, this is where the issue started coming in. Baby girl started teething. And she wouldn't stay in the daycare, so I kept her out. So I would keep her home like on really bad days, and it honestly was like a month that I didn't go to the gym, like one whole straight month. That was the worst decision I could have ever made, because now baby girl wasn't used to being at the daycare and I wasn't used to going to the gym. And so now it's easy. I started making all these excuses as to why I didn't want to go to the gym, as to why I'm not going to the gym. And baby girl was just not having it. When I did decide to go to the gym, it was just all hectic. It was not working out. And then I find myself on a day like, girl, you're going to knock my camera down. On a day like today, where I'm at. And so basically that's what I was trying to discuss in the video, and I broke down. I could not tell you guys my weight. I could not discuss it. It was like the room was so hot, and okay, sorry, baby girl knocked down my camera. That is not funny. That is not funny. That is not nice. So anyways, I just couldn't discuss it. I couldn't get it out. The room was hot. It felt like it was like getting smaller in here. I couldn't breathe properly. I was crying. I was just a wreck. And so basically that's what I was trying to tell you guys. On a day like today, when I get on the scale, I'm weighing in at 180 pounds. I did try and show you guys my body a bit. Sorry that the camera is shaking. It's standing up. If I showed you guys my setup, you would be like, dang, that's ghetto. But it's getting the job done. So I weigh in at 180.9, okay? 180.9 pounds. And this is just the heaviest I've ever been in my life, you guys. I have never been in the 80s in my whole entire life. I've never. So here we go. Here's the big reveal. Okay, you guys. So this is my stomach. Let me just pull this dress tight. Okay. So I told you guys I'm very, very, very hippie. I'm trying to like let you guys see me. I'm very hippie. This is my stomach and my fupa. And then this is me from the side. Oh my God. Let me pull it this way so you guys can see. Oh, the chicharrones. And like, of course, like I said, no but I have all these rolls in my back. And then, of course, these things that are so huge. Oh my God. They're so big. And then let's not even get started on this and my legs. Oh my goodness. Like, okay, then we have my legs. So much. Oh, do you see that? Like, what? Oh my gosh. My legs have never been this big. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is really my body, okay? So much cellulite. Oh, Lord. So this is new to me. This is something that I'm not excited to see, and it really gets me down. A lot of the times I struggle with just, you know, just doing things and getting up and being myself. I feel like I can't do it. And then, you know, you always hear people always got to try and tell you that, oh my goodness, you need to go to the gym. Oh my goodness, you're gaining a lot of weight. And it's like, yeah, let me tell you something. Newsflash. I wake up every morning to see this. I wake up every morning to get on the scale to see that it says, damn girl, lose some weight. I don't need you to tell me that too. People are going to just talk, okay? People will say to you things that they hope nobody would ever say to them. Okay, because a lot of people will point out your flaws, but if you point out that they have a little scratch on their nose, it's like they're ready to just lose their life. Okay. The second thing is don't care. Okay. I let people's words affect me so much throughout my life that I literally had to find out who the heck I even was. When you can lose yourself and not even know, you can't lose something that you've never known. When you're growing up and you listen to everybody's words about you and what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing and how you should look and how you shouldn't look and how your hair should be and how your hair shouldn't be and how you should talk and things that you should say and shouldn't say, when you just listen to all of that, you never know who you really are. What makes you happy? What kind of words make you happy, okay? What kind of things make you happy? Do you like to read? Do you like to write? Do you like to sing? Do you like to dance? Do what you like to do, because people will always try and steer your life in some direction. And to be quite honest, the only person who can steer this ship that you call life, the only person that you should ever give the wheel to is God. And loving yourself for being yourself. And accept who you are. Accept yourself. You have to accept yourself. You have to know who you are. And you have to be okay with who you are. And if you're not okay, it's okay to make tweaks. It's okay to make changes. It's okay to better yourself. But never downgrade yourself. If you're going to make changes, it's always going to be changes to better yourself. Never, ever, ever drop standards to make changes to yourself so somebody likes you. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And be comfortable with yourself. And that's what I'm still learning. Be comfortable with yourself. Guess what? This is the weight that I am. And I'm not saying that I'm going to sit at home and continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and be comfortable with it. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, as of this second, this is the skin that I'm in. And if I have to go to the grocery store, I can't change the skin that I'm in. So today, I'm going to get up and I'm going to go to the grocery store in this skin. Big, fat, or not. I'm going to get up and I'm going to go to the grocery store in my skin and be comfortable with myself. And tomorrow, you never know. Tomorrow, I might go on a diet. Tomorrow, I might go to the gym. The day after that, I might do it again. Never know. And then the change begins. But for today, you be comfortable with who you are. And you be okay with who you are. And that's really what I was trying to say in the video. Some of us allow our insecurities to hold us back from being and doing so much. And that should never be the case. And I'm talking to myself just as much as I'm talking to anyone out there that's willing to hear or watch this video. Insecurities should never be allowed to hold you back. Never. So you guys, that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I don't know why I'm holding these lipsticks in my hand. Give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and drop some comments down below. Smash that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. That way you never miss another video from me, your favorite new mama, Stephanie Chanel. And I don't know what else to say. Just thank you. Thank you for listening. If you watched this video this far, you are the true MVP. Share this video with anybody that you think could learn something from it. I really, really, really hope that this video encouraged somebody. Please, anybody, even if it's just one person. I hope that this video really helps. And I hope that we can all start making strides towards being the best version of ourselves we can be. So like I said, I love you guys, and I'll catch y'all in another video. Peace.